What's up, YouTube?
Hello, world.
It's time to take down this monstrosity.
The time has come. The holiday season is over.
Yeah.
Why is it always so much more exciting setting up the tree than taking it down?
I know, it is. It's way better putting it out because you know what's going to happen. We're going to get some Christmas gifts. We're going to give out a ton of Christmas gifts. And that's what makes it so much fun. And then it's over. The party's over.
I mean, what if I just left it up all year? We could just say it's part of the decoration. We already live in a forest. It's perfect.
No, let's take it down.
Here we go.
Let's take it down and then consider not putting it back next
Yes,
year.
that's
what we
plan.
need to do.
That is a good plan.
All right, well.
Enjoy the takedown. Probably more than we will.
Here it comes, you know. Here it comes.
Do it. So, pro tip, do not start your 2021 workout routine the day after New Year if you plan on taking down a tree. The attic is about a flight of stairs up. I'm very tired. Very, very tired.
Alright, so we had to stop with the removal of the Christmas tree because the kids started screaming, and yeah, this just happened. What's going on in here?
Well, the kitty knocked down the bird cage.
Yeah?
So
It's everywhere.
it's everywhere. We have a situation.
And the bird is very hungry, so I'm not sure if it hasn't been getting fed.
And
yet.
also, it's been frightened.
And frightened, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We're
All
thinking
right.
of moving it back in, or not back, but we're thinking of moving it into your guys' bedroom, Mom
No.
and Dad's.
Oh God, no. No, we'll do something different with the bird. Don't worry. We'll figure it out.
Wait, you want to hang it from the ceiling?
Sparky's
Yeah.
sitting in it.
We're gonna hang it from the ceiling.
I can't reach it.
You in trouble there?
A little bit. I need the ladder.
Should we get the ladder?
Yes.
Maybe? Alright, let's get the ladder. Well,
Oh, I got a better ladder! Bring to the tree.
Alright, yeah, we can do that. Well, that was the end of that.
Woo! Now we got our fireplace back.
Yeah, so
Perfect.
we can start doing fires again. All
Until
right.
next year.
Until next year.
Do it all again.
All right. Well, I hope everybody has a great 2021.
2021!
That's right. Good stuff.
Let's
And
hit it.
hopefully this year will be the year we'll make all kinds of really fun videos. We've got a lot of stuff that's going to be happening outside in the spring.
Yes, 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 yes. Lots of plans going on.
Oh my goodness. Get ready for it.
Go get us, Lydia. Bye, world.
Bye, YouTube.